Greetings from the Mac Corner. We've got quite a selection of machines for you, but today I want to focus on just a few, show you the cream of the crop. Starting off strong, we got a MacBook Pro here. This is the 16-inch 2019. This is an absolute beast of a machine. This has an i9 8-core processor, 32 gigabytes of memory, 2 terabytes of storage, and an 8 gigabyte GPU. This is gonna do everything you need, handle anything you throw at it. Great for production, video editing, photo editing, music, whatever you need, it will handle it like a champ. This one's going for $18.99, and that's with a 1-year warranty for anything besides physical and liquid damage, which is to say, this machine's gonna hold up for a long time and just treat you right. But let's say you want something a little smaller, a little more portable. Down here, we have an equally impressive in its own right, MacBook Air 2022 with the M2 processor. This has the 8 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigs of storage, but that M2 processor is an absolute monster. You've probably heard people raving about how great the M1 is, and the M2 is only better. They're in the lovely midnight black color, and they even have the MagSafe back on here, so easy attach and remove charger. Really popular feature. Same thing, 1-year warranty. These are going for $10.99. Let's say you want to be even more portable. We just restocked some iPad Airs. These are the iPad Air 4th gens. On the left, we have the iPad Air. It's got 256 gigabytes Wi-Fi capable, and just an all-around great portable machine. Take you on a plane, load up, all the movies and seasons you want, the games for the kids or yourself or whatever you need, it'll handle it all. If you want something that's not quite as much storage, maybe you don't need as much, but maybe you want a little more portability, we have the 64 gigabyte iPad Air 4, but those have cellular capabilities. You can get added on to your cellular plan for not too much, and you'll have internet really anywhere you need it. You can use it for business or just your personal travel needs. It'll be there. The 256 Wi-Fi only one, that's going for $5.99, and then the 64 gigabyte with the cellular capability is going for $5.25. These have the 6-month warranty, and we'll treat you right. So if you have any questions, give us a call or swing on by and we'll help answer them and get you set up with the device you've really been wanting. Thanks, and have a good day.